So today I'm going to be sharing with you what I'm packing for our couples trip to Mexico, as well as the first impressions of my new carry-on luggage, which is the Ebags Mother Loader Weekender with wheels, as well as the duffel bag that matches. I'm so excited to have the box right here. I can't wait to open it. But first, if this is your first time watching me, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Gia and I post videos that motivate and inspire and educate for us to just all live our best lives. Wouldn't that be great? I would love for you to join my YouTube family. Mom life. I'm doing laundry while I'm filming this. You know, you gotta multitask. I would love for you to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the little bell next to it. And for those already subscribed, welcome back. All right, guys, so I'm so excited. First of all, I love the brand Ebags. I have their packing cubes that I've been using for years. I have the big Mother Load Weekender bag as well that I love. I have one for myself and one for my girls. I actually posted a video about how I pack for them in that bag. You can tap this eye right here to watch it. But I decided to get one with wheels because I found that although I loved the bag, when we would go on trips where we would have to fly and I would have to carry that on my back throughout the airport, you know, because I'd have my laptop in there and all of our stuff, it would be really, really heavy for me. So I decided I needed one for wheels, which I'll probably just use this for when we fly on an airplane. But for like road trips and everything else, those other bags that we have will be perfect. All right, so while I'm opening this, I'll insert an image here of what the bag actually looks like, what the bag and the duffel look like together. But like I said, I really love this brand. It's affordable to me because luggage can get really expensive, guys. It's important to invest in a nice piece of luggage, but you don't have to, like, you know, spend an arm and a leg because some of the places are just expensive. I will say that the duffel and the bag together came to $175, which it sounds like a lot, but like I said, for the use that I'm going to be using it for, I think it'll be worth it, and my back will definitely thank me because those other bags, I think I spent like $99 on them each. They're wonderful, but they're just horrible on my back. My husband uses it too. He travels quite a bit for work, so he uses it as well. So to me, it's worth the investment. Okay, guys, so here is the bag. I love the bag. I think it's so cute. I got black because I would get purple, but my husband said that he would use it too on some of his trips. So I got black, which, you know, can never go wrong with that. We could both use it. Really cute duffel. Let's open it up and get a closer look of it. All right, so this is called, like I said, the TLS duffel bag. Really cute. It comes with this strap that you can use or not use, which is great. And this does hook on top of your carry-on luggage. But yeah, it comes with this padded strap here, which is nice. It also, let's see, once you open it up, it's a really nice sized duffel. Let's see if I can show it this way. Really nice sized duffel. Perfect for under the seat next to you. Wow, it's pretty spacious. I didn't think it was gonna be this big, but it's pretty spacious. I think you'll be able to fit this, like I said, underneath the seat on an airplane. It comes with this zippered pouch here inside, which is nice. Nice sturdy zipper for like toiletries and everything. And this is just great. And what I'm going to do is this is going to be my personal item on the plane. I'll have my purse in here, my headphones, maybe a few personal items, maybe like one of my packing cubes I think will be able to fit in here for sure. But this is a nice size duffel. You can use this for the gym. It's just perfect. It's not too big and not too small. There is an outside zipper here, and what this zipper will do is you can use it as a pocket, or you can unsnap this part and slide it on top of your carry-on, your wheeled carry-on, which is nice. This is really cute. I'm excited about this. So yeah, you can grab it easily. It's nice. Like I said, it's padded very nicely. Really cute duffel. Now let's look at the carry-on. Okay guys, I just opened the box and now I'm pulling it out. It's nice. It's just like the Weekender backpack, except it's hard on the back and it has wheels, but it's a really nice bag. All right, so this is the bag. It is so nice. I don't know why I'm always surprised by the quality of their bags, but I really, really like it. Like I said, it looks just like the backpack, except for it has wheels. I love the back of this, so stylish. Hard on the back, nice wheels. And like I said, it's, I don't know how many inches that is, but it's tall enough for me. So let's open her up. And I love that they have handles, so it's easier to just get it on top of your overhead compartment when you're flying. So they have a pocket here that you can throw stuff in. And let's see, can't remember. Okay, and then a section here for you to put stuff in. Then a small little section here. You can fit like sunglasses or anything in there. Then they have these compression buckles here to compress your bag, but you can also make the bag larger if you need to with this. There's, you can make it bigger, like that. Okay, let's see. Oh, this bag is so pretty. I love the orange, love it. And then you have an adjustable separator, but like I have the packing cubes that fit in here perfectly. Really nice. But yeah, then you have this section here, which opens up to this whole section right here, which you can open up from the front too. And yeah, you could just put like light stuff here, maybe a pair of shoes or something. I'm gonna use this carry-on to carry like most of my clothes, and then this is just like a big purse that I'll have. I'll have a smaller purse inside of here, but all of my, you know, stuff that I would have in my purse. And then we're gonna check a bag that's gonna carry like my toiletries and shoes or anything anything excess, because we will be there for 5 days. Or 5 nights, I should say. So yeah, this is the bag. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to use it. Now, I'll definitely let you know, maybe on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you haven't, whether I liked the bag, if it held up for me while I was, you know, going through the airport. Like I said, I love that it has wheels, guys, because if you just use a backpack, especially when you're traveling with kids, like when we fly with our girls, I posted a whole video about tips on flying with young kids. You can tap this eye right here to watch it. But when you're flying with the girls, we have our backpacks, we have their strollers, they have their little bags. It's a lot to keep up with. So that's why I got the backpack, because it's something else that I don't have to pull. But when we're traveling with just the two of us, Charles and I, now that the girls are getting older, we're definitely about to start traveling by ourselves just to have that reconnection time together. It's easier to have a bag with wheels when you carry on, because we always prefer to carry on rather than to check our bags. It's just faster to get through the airport. It's cheaper a lot of the times, sometimes. So yeah, so this is the bag. I really love it so far. So let's see what I'm packing for Mexico and how I'm gonna pack it. All right, guys, so these are all the clothes that I'm taking. And like I said, I like to use the same brand Ebags packing cubes because they fit perfectly in all of their luggage, and it just keeps your stuff organized. I'm not going to take all of the clothes out because I spent the time rolling them and everything, but these are my bathing suits and bathing suit cover-ups in here. In here I have like nightgowns and just lounge kind of wear. In here I have like my casual stuff, like my t-shirts, shorts, like stuff that I'm going to be wearing during the day or to like breakfast or something. Now, the resort that we're going to, we do have to dress up for dinner. In here I have all of my dresses. And then in here I have some more like day dresses. So like in this bag, it's like if I want to just lounge around our room, just run to breakfast downstairs really quick, or if I want to exercise, or we're going on a hike, so that's my stuff for theirs in there. And these are like if we go into the town for the day, anything, any daytime activities besides like lounge wears in here. And then in here is my nighttime dresses. So this does not include my underwear, undergarments, or anything like that, makeup, toiletries. I'm gonna pack those later, but I will pack those in the check bag that I'm gonna be taking with my husband. So let's see how we could fit all this, how much we can fit in our carry-on. So let's see how they just like fit perfect. I love, love, love that they just fit perfectly like this. Let's see. Okay, so that's all that's gonna take. So 2 packing cubes there, 1 here, 2 here. Let's actually put our bathing suit in here. No, I will have a light sweater with myself for the plane, but look at that. It fits beautifully, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 packing cubes it fit. Now, if you're just going on a quick trip or something like that, like a 3-day trip or something, this is enough. And if I was a true light packer, I would be able to carry it, like pack all of my stuff on a carry-on, but I'm a wannabe light packer. You know, I try. Let's see. I didn't even have to extend it or anything. Okay. Snap this. Test. If you can lift it up over your head, then you know that you'll be able to put it into your overhead compartment. If it's too heavy for you to lift over your head, then your bag is too heavy. This feels really good. Easy to pull. It only has 2 wheels, so, you know, it doesn't have 4, which is, I'm okay with. I do have a 4-wheeled luggage that I sometimes take, but I just love the Ebags brand. Now, let's see how it does with the duffel on top. And I'll just put this in my duffel, see if it fits. It does fit. Good. In my duffel. Wow. That's awesome. On top of here like so. Look. I am all ready for the airport. I love it. Well, I'm super excited. I can't wait. I'm gonna vlog on this trip, so I'll be bringing you guys with us. By the time this video gets posted, though, I'm sure I'll probably be back, and I can't wait to share with you guys how our trip was. But that's it, guys. So leave a comment down below and let me know, if you travel, what is your favorite brand of luggage or pieces that you like to bring when you travel? What makes packing easier for you? And if you don't travel, is travel something that you do want to do with you and your family? Leave a comment down below about that. I would love to know. I can share more videos about how my husband and I try to, you know, plan our traveling trips, pay for our traveling trips, because if you did not know, we are a consumer debt-free family, so we do have to plan well in advance for our trips. And I can post a video about that if that's something that you guys are interested in, so make sure you leave a comment and let me know. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, you can tap my picture up above, and you can also check out my previous video right over here, and all of my social media platforms all listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.